Hello friends, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGDT 114, Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. Paper number is 4 and topic name is Fertility and Mortality. Now today we are going to learn this topic. Topic name is crude birth rate, total fertility rate. These are the some measurement of fertility. Now student, last lecture will be discussion from the different topic from the fertility and some fertility. What do you mean by fertility and what is the some measurement of fertility? Now fertility means this is the actual number of children born to a woman. For the group of women, the actual measurement of fertility is the ratio between the number of children below the 5 years and the number of the women in the reproductive age group. Normally, birth rate is given term of number is children born to 1000 women in the reproductive periods. Now, these are the some different concepts will be discussed from the fecundity and fertility. Fertility and fecundity are the two different concepts. Fertility refer to the number of children actually born. As against that, fecundity means the ability of woman to give the birth rate to children during the entire reproductive period. So the biological fecundity is quite significant as regards population geography is concerned. The actual number of children is born is more important. Now these are the some factors is affect for fertility, though is the birth is child of the biological phenomena. Now some factors influencing the fertility can be grouped into the four broad categories. First one is biological, second one is demographic, social factors and economic factor will be discussed for last lecture. Now student, this one is very important here, will be discussion from the crude birth rate and total birth rate is the total basic measurement of fertility. Now student, this is topic number 5. Topic name is fertility and mortality. Now here this concept of fertility, fecundity and fertility and coherent. Now student, topic will be covered from the crude birth rate and total fertility. Now third topic is concept of baby boom, concept of mortality and morbidity, and fifth one is the death rate and its measure and level of trends and mortality in India. These are the 6-point cover in the fertility. Now these are the some concept will be discussed for these are the basic measurement of fertility. Now source of the some there are the three important sources of information fertility: the vital registration and civil registration system, the national periodic census and sample fertility surveys. From the vital registration system, information is available on the number of registered birth in each actual calendar year. Along all the information, auxiliary information on the following items is now also available from this system: death rate, date of birth, sex of the baby order to birth, religious of parents, this occupation, their place of residence. The demographic yearbook of the United Nations published each year contains information is registered live birth for various countries, cross-tabulated with the age of number of sex of baby, crude birth rates and rural and urban areas. Nativity fertility as the special topic of the year is 1950, 45, 52, 16 and 75 year old. This is the books contained with the great and additional information fertility in different countries. In national periodic census of country, the direct question the number of children you were born is asked the your married woman. This is answer this question provide the basis of information of fertility. In the some countries where the birth in registry system is inadequate, a question of the number of birth during the previous year asked during the national periodic census, such as a question as asked in the 1971 as well as in the 1981 census of India. Another important source of information on fertility is the sample fertility survey. Such a survey provides the purely reliable information of the fertility of any groups and has several advantages over the vital registration system or the census. The main advantages being that is not possible to collect is such a survey. Great deal of the require information for the analysis of fertility from the different angles. Such information on the age of marriage, reproductive history, knowledge of the attitudes to and practices concerning family planning. For these reasons, in many developed countries, dispute in the reliable and advocate vital registration system and availability of information on the number of children born on periodic census. Special sample fertility and survey are conducted. Some of this survey had made the valuable contribution to the development of fertility analysis. That type of data available for each these sources may be summarized for the vital registration system. The number of registered birth visually in one calendar year. Census, the number of children every born. Census age distribution, the number of birth during the last 12 months. Sample fertility survey, the number of children every born, the birth rate during the his last 12 months. Now basic measurement fertility on the basis of basis of obtain. This is the three sources for vital registration, census and survey. Very important here to be discussion from the different way from the on the basis of registration, consensus, survey. Different types of measurement and fertility may be computed. In the first types of measurement may be in the term of period measures. Now for this is related to particular period and based on the data referring that the period. Now the vital registration system provides the data on the number of birth during this period of 1 year. The data yielded from the questions on the number of birth rate during the last 1 year asking in any census of sample surveys are in sense the same as those obtained from the vital registration system. For such data also refer to the period of 1 year. Now the second type of measurement of fertility refer to the reproductive performance of the woman up to the certain point of time. These questions on the number of children ever born is asking during the census and in the source of the sample survey. This is important here to the one. Now third type of measurement of fertility, attempt to the measurement fertility indirectly on the basis of age sex distribution on the population obtained from the census. These are the some basic measurement of fertility on this one data. Is the first type of second type of measurement of fertility reproductive performance of woman is a certain point of time. Then third type of measurement of fertility, attempt to the measurement of fertility indirectly on the basis of age and sex distribution. These are the some basic measures of the fertility. Now go to the one by one. Now measurement based on performance during the 1 year. Now here crude birth rate. Now crude birth rate, this is the very most common, the most easily computed, the most easily understood the measurement of fertility. Now the crude birth rate is the ratio of the total registered live birth in the some specific year in the particular area to the total mid-year population of that area multiplied by the 1000. Maybe repeat again, the crude birth rate is also is the ratio. Crude birth rate is a ratio of the total registered live birth, means the total registered live birth in some specified year, means specified year in a particular area to the total mid-year population of that area multiplied by the 1000. Now it is computed by the following manner. Now B divided by P multiplied by K, where B is the total number of live birth during a year. Now P is the total population is middle of the year, and the K is 1000. K is constant, means 1000. Now the crude birth rate is for sample area for calculated city, Calcutta city, we computed as follow. Number of live birth during the 1967-68 is 163. Now mid-year population during the 1967 to 68 is 9281, and the crude birth during the 1961 is around 17.56. This is the crude birth rate. Is the calculate for crude birth rate is very easily to be calculated by the crude birth rate is the most common and easily computed by the fertility. Now second word is general fertility rate. Now general fertility rate is very well computing the crude birth rate is a denominator including the total mid-year populations. It is obvious that everyone in the total population is not exposed to risk of the pregnancy, and that all the males and as well as the females below the age of 15 above the age of 40 and 49 need to be excluded from the denominator from the any cannot produce children. Now hence the first refinement of the crude birth rate is introduced by the number of births to the number of women in the childbearing age, means 50 to 44, 49. Now the rate is computed by those known as the general fertility rate, may be defined as the ratio. Maybe general fertility rate may be defined as the ratio the total live birth rate is some specified year in a particular area to the number of women in the childbearing age multiplied by 1000. It is a simple concept. The general fertility rate is may be defined as the total live birth is the same specified some specified year in a particular area to the number of women is the childbearing age multiplied by 1000. Now it is computed by following the formula B divided by P and K, where B is the number of live births during the year and P is the median population of women between the age of 50 and 44 or 49, and this one. Now K is constant, P is 1000. Now this is the formula for the general fertility rate. Now here general fertility rate is a simple area for Kolkata city during the 1967 to 60, maybe calculated from the now live birth during the 1967 to 68. 163. The median female population in the age group is 50 to 40 during the 1882. Therefore, general fertility during the year is 86.61. Now, general fertility rate is 86.61, indicate that is the sample area of Kolkata city. The Kolkata city there is 86.61 birth per 1000 women in the childbearing age group. Now, though general fertility may be considered a forward step in the direction of the refinement of fertility measures, it must be noted that it is not a very effective refinement, for it is related to all women in childbearing groups. Now, general fertility rate, but is well known as the fecundity, that is the physiological capacity of bear children during the childbearing years. It is non-informative and distributed. The present of the hypothetical fecundity curve as well as the average age specific fertility rate is of around for 20 countries. It may be observed that the childbearing is low younger age group 15 to 19. It is peak age is 20 and 29 when the majority has married. Fecundity has been the maximum, that is the tapers off. Slowly is some countries and rapidly in others, still at the age of 50 is reached at the 0 marks. That is fact. Fecundity is woman is not same during the entire span of the childbearing. The period tends to be lost sight when the general fertility rate is computed. For the reason that is rate is not considered to be very effective refinement. Further, refinement is the measurement in fertility incorporated when age specific fertility rates are computed. Now, thank you, student. Today will be discussed from the basic measurement of base in performance during the year. Now, basic measurement of fertility on the basis of 3 sources like vital registration, census, and survey. Student, this is the 2 concepts for crude birth rate and general fertility rate. These are the 2 concepts for the measuring the fertility. Student, any doubt, any query to ask, write a mail bharatgadak@kthmcollege.ac.in. Student, today we stop here and today next lecture will be next point to be continued. Okay, good day, bye bye.